Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Victorinox Rally Swiss Army knife. And the Rally is one of the 58mm knives. It's similar, it's basically the same kind of like footprint as the Classic, the Victorinox Classic. So the difference between the Rally and the Classic, let's see if I can open this up. And there we go. The difference between the Rally... Wow, apparently there we don't go. Okay, here we go. The difference between the Rally and the Classic is where the Classic has a pair of scissors. I can get them out. Wow, I can't get them out. Are you serious? I actually have to use my thumb now? Man. Some days. There we go. Alright. Instead of the scissors, you get one of those kind of weird screwdriver bottle opener things. So it swaps the scissors for that. And it's, I guess, kind of what you want, tool-wise. The scissors, a lot of people really love the Swiss Army knife scissors. And I've seen a lot of people say the reason they carry a Classic is because of the scissors. So that might have made the Rally here a bit less popular. You get the bottle opener, the Phillips head screwdriver, and the oh-so questionable wire stripper right there. Now this has the standard regular screwdriver and nail file and the little pin blade, and you also have the usual tweezers and toothpick, just like on the Classic. So really, the main choice is, do you want this or do you want scissors? I'm actually curious. Let me know in the comments. Are y'all of the opinion you would rather have scissors or the little screwdriver monster thing here? What are your thoughts? I don't know. I might be kind of biased because I have never been a huge fan of the Swiss Army knife scissors, but I know a lot of people are. Oh, also, I don't know if this is relevant or not, but the tip of the screwdriver is magnetic. I don't know if it matters or not, but just FYI. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.